Sony has just announced that it is now the number one in the United States in the market of cameras with interchangeable lenses full frame, surpassing Canon in units sold and in dollars generated in the first half of 2018. Sony says that 4 out of 10 full frames the cameras sold during the period were made by Sony. Although Canon and Nikon have not yet announced a full-frame camera on the mirrorless market, Sony currently has 4, Sony A9, A7R3, A7 III and A7S II. These good results can be attributed to the company's leadership in the market transition from the older DSLR technology to the next-generation mirrorless cameras, says Sony. Throughout the market of cameras without a mirror, Sony's dominance has been strong. The company has occupied the number one spot in terms of the cameras sold and the dollars raised for more than 6 years. Sony's bestsellers are the A7R3 and the A7 III, the latter of which is a formidable camera priced at just $1,998, making it an attractive option for photographers looking to jump into the world of the frame complete for the first time. The A9 has also seen a quick adoption among professional sports photographers and photojournalists, says Sony. Sony previously announced that it had occupied the number 2 spot in the US UU in April 2017 and number 1 in China in June 2018.